Hello guys, Pedekilo here at Words of Healthy podcast. It's cold season again. We are entering into June, and you know what happens when it's cold? People tend to have some respiratory infections such as flu, and also start having asthmatic attacks. Those who are asthmatic, and that's my major interest of topic today. My discussion today is going to be on the factors that can make asthmatic patient to enter into asthmatic attack. So factors that can make somebody with asthma enter to asthmatic attack. So before I progress into factors that make somebody enter into asthmatic attack, I would like to let you know that asthma is a reversible condition, chronic condition. So what it means is when somebody enters into asthmatic attack, of course with treatment or management, they can go back to normal breathing. So it's a reversible condition, and it's chronic, meaning of course it can't be cured. They just have to manage it every day to avoid entering into those asthmatic attacks. So what are some of the factors that can make a patient with asthma enter into asthmatic attack? So one of the factors includes coldness. So when a patient with asthma is exposed to cold, they can enter into asthmatic attack. So when it's cold, it's very important to keep warm to avoid entering into asthmatic attack, and also avoid touching cold things such as maybe water coming from the fridge or drinking water from the fridge. That is going to make you enter into asthmatic attack. Apart from coldness, there is also another factor, that is dust. So dust can make somebody enter into asthmatic attack. Of course, we're discussing a patient with asthma. So an asthmatic patient can enter into asthmatic attack because of dust. So if you are asthmatic patient and you love cleaning the house, make sure that when you do so, put on a mask that's going to trap dust, and you won't have asthmatic attack. Apart from dust, another factor that can make a patient with asthma enter into asthmatic attack is strong perfumes. So asthmatic patients, they need to avoid using strong perfumes, and also people around them need to take note that strong perfumes can trigger asthmatic attack to those patients. So take note of that. Another factor that can make somebody enter into asthmatic attack is strenuous exercise. So if you're asthmatic, avoid engaging into strenuous activities such as maybe running too much to a point whereby your breathing rate increases fast. So that can also make you enter into asthmatic attack, because the metabolic rate is going to go high due to high demand of oxygen, and you can find yourself into asthmatic attack. So reduce strenuous exercise. Even if you love going to the gym, minimize, because you can enter into asthmatic attack. So apart from strenuous exercise, another factor that can make somebody enter into asthmatic attack is the pollen. So we're talking about plants here. Pollens from flowers can make somebody enter into asthmatic attack. Apart from pollen, then another factor that can make somebody enter into asthmatic attack is smoke. So we're talking about smoke here. So now, if there is somebody who smokes in the house and there is an asthmatic patient there, please try by all means to be doing the smoking outside the house, and also avoid burning things like plastics or the smell of burning things. That can also trigger a patient to enter into asthmatic attack. Other things include dandruff, and also maybe some smells coming from pets like dogs can also trigger asthmatic attack to the patient. So that's what I wanted to discuss with you today. Knowing that it's getting cold, I thought of discussing factors that can trigger asthmatic patient into enter into asthmatic attack. So with that said, please let's observe all these factors and prevent this asthmatic attack. With that said, I'm going to discuss to you or talk to you in the next video. Bye.